Welcome back to Thriftronics, guys, and what we got here is a Panasonic FW18 from possibly 1980s, maybe 1985. It's it's in tidy condition, but slightly, I think it's off-white now. I'm not sure if it was supposed to be cream from new, but it looks twin cassette and radio. Let's just see if the battery compartment is good. Yes, very good. It's not had leaky batteries in there. There's some oh, it's got a broken antenna on the back, so the end of the antenna's broke off. What's that? Like a fine tuning dial. Wow, that's pretty cool.
It says touch tune.
Might be fine tuning.
I wonder if that's the. Is that the tune? Oh yeah, it might be fine tuning.
Fine tuning, yeah.
So that's the tuner, isn't it?
That's probably fine tuning.
And then that will be fine tuning.
Right.
You just see it slightly moving, can't you?
Yeah, if that's fine. It's fine.
Well, that's weird.
Especially on FM. But they don't, because the stations are locked in. And
I haven't seen a white one before.
Yeah.
Or green.
Well, let's go and plug it in.
From the 60s.
Yeah. See if it works.
It's probably 80s. Yeah, maybe 80s.
I have high hopes for this one. Panasonic is usually a really good make, so let's fingers crossed, guys. $20 they want for this. They've got noise on the radio. All the buttons seem to click and everything seems to be very dusty, like crackly. I looked up the price of one of these selling on eBay, and you'd be surprised actually. So I'll put the price at the end. We'll take a look at it, and near the end we'll just see if the cassettes are both working. But the radio seems to work. Probably work better outside. It's just a shame about the broken antenna. When the antenna's broken at the end, I wonder if there's any fixes you can do to repair these antennas. Just for using it yourself, I would probably just put a screw in the end, and that would probably extend and retract the antenna. Yeah, just put a screw in there. So let's check the cassette decks, see if they work. What we need to do really is to see if both motors are still working and all the belts are and everything are in good order. And that's number 1 working and number 2 working. And there you go. $89 is selling this one at American.